Alright guys, so here is the box that came with the windscreen. So let's open it up and then see what we got inside. Alright, kind of excited and also nervous, just don't know the quality of that. Yeah, the packaging is really nice, guys. Look at that, it's like professional done. So this is really good packaging. I mean, I'm 100% sure that this is the OEM quality. Yep, super awesome. So the pricing is like, even with the shipping, I paid $50 less. Like, I know I had to pay almost $20 in shipping, but it's worth it. It is definitely worth it. So now I just have to take a look and see how it's gonna look on the bike. The one that comes with the bike, and this is what is gonna go on. So it's just a large mirror cover. I'm just gonna go ahead and install it. So compared to this and the OEM one, take a look at it, guys. This is the one who came with the bike, and that's the taller one. So you can see the size differences. So I hope that helps with the wind. So let's see, let's install and let's take a look at it on the bike. Alright guys, so here it is. Oh, look at that. It's just like, you can't even tell, but it is much taller than the other one. So I'm really happy with the quality, and it is the original parts for Kawasaki. So this website is legit, and looks like they do make a Kawasaki OEM product. So I'll link the website description below. So you guys are interested, probably might as well go through them instead of going through Kawasaki or other big website, which $150, and now here I am with the shipping about $110, I think. But it will be less if I chose like slower shipping, which could take months, but this is almost took 20 days to get here. But I am really happy with that, so perfect. So this is it for now, guys, and always, you know, give me a sub and like my videos, and comments below any questions. I will answer them, and I will see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, take care, bye bye.